Good morning, everyone. We are from Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam Government Degree College, Patanjali. My name is Vistana. I am from BSc Chemistry 7. Today, we are here to present our group project on a fascinating and interesting topic, Vedic mathematics, a solution to quick addition and multiplication in brief study. Before we dive into the presentation, let me introduce my talented group members, Akifa Ahmad, Dikshita, Divyavani, and Shreya. Now, today, I'm super excited to share what we have learned, and I hope you will find this presentation both informative as well as engaging. So, let's begin. Actually, what is Vedic mathematics? See, Vedic mathematics is a system of mathematics based on ancient Indian techniques and sutras. The specific techniques of Vedic mathematics, as developed and codified by Bharati Vishnu Gita, are based on six sutras. These sutras include Ekadikena Pujena, Ekanyunena Purena, and the Nihilam Navatas Karmam Dasita, Udvar Virya, Vayam, and Parvata Yochaya, Samuchaya, and many more. These sutras, which cover a wide range of operations, including addition, subtraction, multiplication, division, and many more, are claimed to offer more intuitive and streamlined approach when compared to the traditional Western algorithms. See, actually, what's the need of the study? The main need of this study, according to some Vedic scholars, they have mentioned that by using Vedic math tricks, we can solve problems 10 to 15 times faster than our usual methods. I agree this to some extent because some methods in Vedic maths are really very fast. As it eradicates the fear of maths completely, Vedic maths is more than 1700 times faster than our usual methods. It sharpens our brain, increases mental ability and intelligence. Our brain becomes a mental calculator itself. It increases accuracy and speed, improves memory, and boosts our self-confidence. The main objectives of this study is to explore the techniques of quick addition multiplication in Vedic mathematics and understand the applications for faster mental calculations. See, to compare the traditional method and Vedic method, it is useful for everyone, like parents, teachers, students, professionals, etc. Anyone can use it. These are also used to improve the logical thinking process gets enhanced. Now, to delve deeper into the fascinating world of Vedic mathematics, I would like to hand it over to my colleague Akifa, who will explain you the main key concepts of Vedic mathematics and some examples of Vedic addition. Thank you. Methodology for a study of Vedic mathematics, a quick solution on Vedic addition and multiplication. Here is an effective methodology should involve a mixed method. As compared to traditional maths, Vedic maths works making mathematics simple, easier, and faster. Let us go into the topic. That is Vedic addition. Welcome to the first topic of Vedic mathematics. Here we learn about Vedic addition. Vedic addition is a super easier. You just need to know. And let's start with the very simple addition. Here we are using the sutra of Ekadikena Purvena. Let us take an example of 23 plus 12. Here we are taking the tens parts. Now for the 100 part, that is 9 plus 4 is equals to 30 and 2 plus 3 is equals to 5. In next step, we are writing 0 as 3 and 3 as we are adding 5 plus 1 is equals to 6. We get the answer is 63. In the traditional maths, we get a lot of time and a lot of steps. That's why we are using the Vedic addition. And the next part will be explained by the Yoga.
Sure.
Now I am going to learn 3 physics addition. This is also known as addition method or dot addition method. In this we are using the sutra of Ekadikena Purvena. Now let us take the example of 684, 1058, 594. In first step we have to do all the numbers belonging to the same place and add this summing down. In second step we have to start from the bottom. Here 2 plus 8 is 10. And 10 by this triangle. Left is 0. 0 plus 4 is 4. We have to put 4 in the bottom of units. This is 1 into next step. So 9 plus 1 into 1 is 10. 10 by this triangle. Left is 0. 0 plus 5 is 5. 5 plus 8 is 7. I got 10 by just line. Left is 3. We have to write 3 in the bottom of unit place. In next step, this one is adding as 2. So 5 plus 2 is 7. 7 plus 7 is 14. I got 10 by just line. Left is 4. 4 plus 6 is 10. I was proper the 10 by just line. Left is 0. We have an absolute in the bottom. In next step, this 2 less adding was 2. We have to write 2 bottom. Now the answer will be 2034. And next topic is automation. Now I am going to tell you this is multiplication in basic maths. In this we are using the Sutra or Sutra diagram. Let us take the example of 22 into 31. This we have an extra method. In extra method, it takes a lot of time and lots of steps. Instead of this method, we can use Vedic method. So Vedic method, we have 3 steps. In step 1, we are multiplying first 2 digits of units place. That is 2 into 1 is equal to 2. We are writing 2 into units place. In second step, that is 2 into 2 plus 2 into 1 is equal to 6 plus 2 is equal to 8. We are writing 8 in the tens place. In third step, we are multiplying the first 2 digits of hundreds place. That is 2 into 3 is equal to 6. We are writing 6 in the hundreds place. 682 is our answer.
Three, two, one, start.
In this, we are using the Vedic method. We let us take example of 45 into 11. See, we are writing 4 as 3 and 5 as 3. So we are just adding 2 digits. 4 plus 5 is equal to 9. We are writing 9 in the middle. That is 495 is the answer. Thank you. Next part, let's explain next.
Please, excellent is very true. There is a example 789 473 instead. Since the part of husband and him to pay, 792, 2000 best, 7 character on step, instead cross multiply, 8 into 8, plus 9 into 7, plus 7 into 130. 2000 best, 30 character list. Instead 3 will 107 into 8 plus 9 into 4 plus 6 into 7 plus 13 2 equals to positive 1. 1,100 plus 16 capital next steps. In steps of we will again cross multiply 7 plus 1 plus 8 into 4 plus 16 is equal to 97. 7 comes from 1000 numbers. 9 capital into 1. Next step by plus 7 into 4 is equal to plus 9 is equal to 37. Our final answer is here was 1.2. You multiply by 11. For example, in multiply by 11. In for example, 2 more 3 we will 2 as 3 and 3 as 3. We will add the right side of 2 plus 3 is equal to 7 and the left side 2 plus 2 is equal to 6. Our final answer is 2, 6, 7. Thank you.
Action.
Thank you. Solution of traditional multiplications. Integrated together, into the mathematics. Advanced technique of various operators. It is a very faster, 10 to 15 times the traditional mathematics. It's reduced by 1%. It gives one line answer. It's also magical tool to reduce scratch work and single form. Concentration and dollar thinking also. Difference, website and online, scientific, AI, etc. Prices.